Hello, and thank you for watching our video. In this video, we'll be walking through the steps of creating a shipment. To successfully create a shipment, you will need to have harvested, packed, or stored inventory. Starting from the dashboard, select the New Shipment button, or in the main menu, select Shipping, Record a Shipment. Start by entering your shipping date, and then optionally enter a waybill number. The fields are all optional and customizable for your needs. Select and fill out the details applicable for your operation, including responsible person, carrier, truck, trailer, shipping location, and loading bay. Select a customer and destination. When a pre-existing customer is selected, the destination list will be limited to addresses belonging to the selected customer. If you do not have a customer as a contact, you can easily add them here by adding a new customer and filling out the required information. You may select a temperature type and enter a low temperature and high temperature setting for the transport applicable to your products. Enter any relevant notes or comments, and then expand the Advanced section for additional gap records by clicking the Show Hide Advanced button. Check off if the inspection is passed, the vehicle is covered, and any corrective action necessary. You may save your event now and add the inventory at a later date. If you would like to load the inventory immediately, please do the following. Scroll down and select the inventory you wish to load. The icons next to the inventory will tell you the stage and type of your inventory. The snowflake icon means your inventory is in storage. The shopping cart means it is harvested inventory, and the pallet means that they are packed or on a pallet. Once you have loaded all of the inventory for the shipment, you will need to click the Save and Ship Load to mark the event as shipped. Click Print Waybill to print the waybill for this event. If you have added a transaction to the event, you are able to print the bill of lading. This concludes our shipment demo. If you have any other questions, check out the Knowledgebase links in the description. And as always, thanks for watching.